I'm quite enjoying looking at these budget smartwatches, and today I'm taking a look at the AGM Watch Legion. You can pick it up on Amazon. It'll cost you about 100 quid, which is still relatively budget in terms of smartwatches. So we'll whip it out of the box, see what it's about. Let's take a look. Okay, so here is the AGM Watch Legion rugged outdoor GPS smartwatch. Find your glory, bit of branding, AMOLED display, military grade durability, strong and accurate built-in GPS, 100 sport modes with smart recognition, and IP68 water resistance. So we'll just whip it out of the box, see what color I've been sent. If you're wondering why the video quality itself is a bit poor in comparison to usual, it's because I'm using, God, this is tough, Galaxy S23 Ultra and its ultra wide lens to record this video, because I'm going to be using my iPhone to demonstrate the app. So on the top, you just get a little flap, lift that up, take this little packet out, which comes with your paperwork. We'll just chuck that aside for a second. And then underneath that, you get the watch itself. So I've been sent the white model or gray model. So let's just whip it on out of the box. God, that was hard work. Just underneath there, you get your charging cable. So no other bits and bobs in the box. And that's already come off as well. Interesting. So here is the AGM watch. I've been given the gray model. Really nice quality strap, sort of silicone strap, which is really nice. So we'll just power her on, see if she's got any juice. And then hopefully we'll go through the setup process. So we'll just tap English, scan to download the app, which I've already done. So hopefully, turn the brightness down a bit. So if I just open up the AGM Nexus app, hit device, add device, with a bit of luck, it has found the watch straight away. Let's hope that it connects okay. Yep. Pairing whilst using the app. Message notifications. So I can turn all of this on from the get-go. Apparently not. Master switch, there we go. So calls, SMS, WhatsApp, Facebook and Messenger, Gmail, Outlook, sorry, not Gmail, Outlook, Instagram, no, not even that either. God, I'm not doing very well. Mail, that's where my emails come from. YouTube, yeah, why not? And yeah, loads of, oh, we'll do Amazon as well. And then we can save that as well. So set your notification settings out of the box. And then we will confirm. And there we are. There is the AGM Legion set up. So there's your watch face. Oh, of course it is. Bear with. Okay, so we're all done with the setup. So again, there's your watch face. You can go through the app to select your watch face, and you can go on more and you can get a load more. So just for the sake of demonstration, let's pick this one here. Sync watch face. And with a bit of luck, it's relatively quickly.
A few moments later.
And there we go, we're all done, and there's your new watch face. So it takes a little bit longer than what I found on other smartwatches. I've got the Kospet Tank T3 Ultra smartwatch that I've been using for the last couple of weeks, and changing the watch face on that is pretty instantaneous. So it does take a little bit longer on this AGM watch. And then of course you can go to various bits and bobs on the app, changing certain settings, etc. But we'll just go away from that for a moment and then look at the watch itself. So swiping up from the bottom, you can get a few settings here, like your battery saver, shortcut to the settings, and then the usual noisy bit to spell in the water, silent mode, etc. Swiping down for notifications, swiping for the left for sleep data, and then swiping from the right for your heart rate measuring as well. And then of course you can tap your menu button. You've got a sport mode down the bottom to set your workouts. And then there's no other buttons on the side there. So clicking on the menu and you can obviously go through all of your bits and bobs, rapid health, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, breathing, etc. And then of course you can select each of these and then measure each of these whenever you want to. And then you've got calls and keypad, etc. Weather information, reminders, music, you can set alarms, all the usual bits that you would find on a smartwatch. It's actually a really nice quality display, high resolution, nice vivid colors, nice contrast because it's an AMOLED display, which is really great. Now you can go on to watch faces on here. Now I wonder if I do it directly on here, will it do it quicker? Now there's only 4 options physically on the watch, so maybe that's why it took a little bit longer. Tap that one, and yeah, of course it's straight away. So it's because it was a different watch face, which you had to then sync from the app to the watch, but yeah, not a big deal. So if we swipe all the way down and jump into the settings, of course, you've got the usual bits and bobs, and there's a bit of flickering going on the display because obviously it's an AMOLED display. Sound and vibration, you can set the brightness. I'll turn it down actually for the sake of this video for a minute. And then you've got raise to wake, all day, scheduled. I'll have it on all day. Cover up to sleep, so you can just put your hand over it. In theory, maybe not. Or maybe if you pull your sleeve up, we'll have a look. Auto lock, always on display, which I've got off at the moment. You can schedule that if you want to. Do not disturb, you can change the layout. So you can have the scatter of the menu, a bit typical of an Apple Watch. You can have it as the list, which is what I've got now, or a wheel. I do quite like the list, so we'll leave it at that for a second. Go auto detect. So that's for your workouts, about calls, about the watch, QR code for matching, and system information if you just want to reboot it and power it off and reset it. So that's just a few bits and bobs with this watch. Now it is made of high quality, durable material, so it will definitely handle some drops. Of course, it's IP68 certified, so you can take it swimming, etc. Now, it isn't quite as premium. If I just take my Cospet Tank T3 Ultra, now it's noticeably lighter than this one because you've got a plastic surround on here, of course, metal around this bit, but this is an all metal rugged design, and you can see that it is a considerably more sturdy looking watch. And then I've also got the Ucatel BT80, which I will be doing a video on. That will be coming live soon. And then I've also got the Blackview W50, which I will be doing an unboxing of. And I've got the W70 Pro, which I have got an unboxing of. So check that one out if you're interested in that one. So let's just pop the watch on, see how it looks and see how it feels. Now the color of this is nice. It will be interesting to see how it is over time in terms of getting dirty. I've got a similar colored phone case for my iPhone from Spigen, and it does get grubbed up and it does lose its color a little bit. So it will be interesting to see how this is. It is a really nice feeling watch. But yeah, let me know down in the comments what you think of this Watch Legion. I will add some comments down later on after I've had a bit of use and what I've found with it, including notifications and all that sort of stuff. But yeah, I think it's a really nice looking watch. 100 quid currently on Amazon. Not a bad price at all. But yeah, if you want to see more videos a little bit like this, definitely get subscribed to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.